Alright, so if BlueStacks keeps crashing on your PC, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But most of the time it's caused by settings or system issues you can fix pretty quickly. First, restart your computer. Yeah, it sounds simple, but it clears temporary problems. Make sure you're using the latest version of BlueStacks to avoid bugs and crashes. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes, so update them to the latest version. Lower CPU or RAM usage slightly if your system is overloaded, or increase it if you have extra resources. Switch between graphics modes like DirectX and OpenGL to find the most stable option. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS. It improves stability and performance. Close heavy apps running in the background to prevent system overload. Sometimes antivirus software can interfere, so try disabling it temporarily. If crashes continue, uninstall and reinstall BlueStacks for a clean setup. And yeah, that's how you fix most BlueStacks crashing issues. Just follow these steps, and it should run much more stable.